Ano lang yung reaction mo o yung pananaw mo sa babae na loko sa isang relasyon? Kagaya ni Juliana.
Ay, we wanna hear this.
Makabigat naman yung Ate Melba. Direct, send help to the pakiramdam ng babaeng ng loko.
Ano ang perception mo bilang isang babae?
Na nanloko siya sa lalaki, sa asawa niya.
Isang asawa o isang...
Ang babae naman, ang gusto niya lang naman sa buhay is atensyon, pagmamahal, oras, and security. Yun lang naman ang importanteng dapat maramdaman ng isang partner or ng isang wife. Kung kulang, maaaring makakagawa siya ng mga bagay na hindi niya gusto, pero nahanap niya yung kaligayahan niya sa ibang bagay. So, it's just a matter of choice and decision. And, yun nga, sabi ko, pag nagmahal ka, hindi mo na alam kung tama o mali yung ginagawa mo. So, dapat may natututunan tayo sa lahat ng ginagawa natin.
So, you mean, when you play the role of Juliana, nagbago yung perception mo? Mas naintindihan mo yung mga babae nakakagawa ng gano'n?
Hindi naman sa sinasabi kong okay yun, okay siya, okay yung ganyan. Pero pag napanood mo tong buong series na to, may intindihan mo yung babae kung bakit niya ginawa yun and kung bakit niya nagawa yung bagay na yun. But at the end of the day, meron at meron kang matututunan and meron kang take away na dapat pinapahalagahan ng lalaki ang isang babae para hindi siya mawala sa'yo.
Thank you. Last na lang, last question.
Reverse naman natin. Ano naman yung...
Siya naman.
Oo, mga lalaki naman.
Ano naman
Ang
yung...
lalaking niloko.
Kayo, ano ang pakiramdam kapag kayo naman yung niloko ng partner niyo?
Huwag sana mangyari sa akin. Yan lang. Pero coming from, add na lang siguro sa sinabi ni Kim. The lines and Juliana's character also, parang even before the show started, it was researched. A lot of people were interviewed. So may pinanggagalingan at may pinagbabasihan rin yung character ni Juliana based on actual real people.
Right.
Yan, yun lang.
Inspired by true life stories, JM? Pakiramdam daw ng naluloko.
Masakit po yun. Masakit po.
Okay.
Okay lang.
Parang sakit-sakit.
Masakit pong maloko. Kaya dapat mag-ingat. Dapat mahalin muna yung sarili. At huwag mong naloko kasi karma is real.
Karma is
Karma
real.
is a god. Aaron?
Yes, MJ, ang susunod na magtatanong ay isang submissive and happy wife. Bakit mo si Rose Garcia? Yung
May
Rose.
ano siya na. May description na naman. Submissive and happy wife. Papayag ka ba doon?
May question ko kay Pawas saka kay JM. Kasi yung roles pero pareho dito, parang kung titingnan ko parang equal yung weight, yung yung lalim ng characters ninyo. Pero kung tatanungin ko kayong dalawa ngayon, anong character ni JM vice versa na you would wish na sana yun ang character ko? O gusto nyo ba na palit kayo kung nagkakaroon? Or mas okay na kayo dyan sa kung ano kayo?
Maraming eksena sa scripts, different parts of it na pag binabasa ko, nanggigigil ako dahil gusto kong gawin. Gusto kong na role ni JM. Pag nababasa ko siya parang minsan wini-wish ko na sana pwede ako magdalawang character dito. Gusto ko rin gawin tong na-excite ako pag nakakabasa ako ng mga medyo complicated scenes na pwedeng laruin, medyo mahirap gawin, parang nag-challenge ako. So ayun, pero happy naman ako na si JM yung gumaganap na feeling ko na gawa naman ni JM. He did justice to his role.
Thanks, Pao. JM.
Sa akin, happy naman po ako na I feel blessed na nabigay sa akin itong role na to. Sobrang challenging sa akin. Hindi pa yata ako nakagawa rin ng role na katulad nito. Same din sa akin, pag nababasa ko yung kay Pao and kung paano niya i-perform. Actually, hindi. Okay na.
Mahirap
Pag
pala.
napapanood ko siya.
Mahirap pala.
Oo, ang galing.
Actually, ang galing ninyo lahat. Yan, congrats. Kay Kim, nabasa ko to parang may mga ibang fans ka na parang medyo na-disappoint nung una. Kasi hindi siya sa mismong Free TV ipapalabas, but instead sa Prime Video. Pero although na-explain mo naman in a way sa tweet mo, you want to add something pa on that? Kasi yung sa iba na parang ina-expect talaga nila na mapanood to ng, of course, for free, yung ganyan.
Parang maybe our directors could like have a more,
Yes.
baka mas masagot nila ang tama.
Sa akin, when they were given the project, syempre sabi ko, it's so seldom that a Filipino show is given this importance. Tapos, when they announced that it will be shown to 240 countries, regional lang po kasi madalas. My mom who lives in Canada, my family who lives in Canada would always tell me, wala naman dito sa North America. So, it's such a big project. Meron tayo kasi mga Filipino na personal triumphs na hinaharap dito sa bansa natin. But it's a different ball game when you're given the venue internationally. And that's one thing that I'm really proud of these kids because, you know, for one, Paolo is not, I think he is really the how should I say this? The best actor of his generation. It's my first time to work with him. And the investment he gave from, the script says, tinatanong parang there's another character that says, nakiapid yung asawa. And the argument was, kasi napabayaan yung katawan, ganito. Lahat yun ni-reflect ni Paolo din sa scene. And then, after a portion of it, we had to stop kasi in 2 weeks time, he has to change again physically. Eh, hindi madali po yung ginagawa. And I was so afraid for him because sa hirap ng sinushoot namin, baka mamaya mag-collapse.
Right.
Each taping it's like me facing a defense, thesis defense. Kasi what we're doing, like you were asking Kim kanina, immature sobra yung topic. And even if they've studied their script, they argue with you. They discuss with you. And so kami ni Direk Jojo, I'm so happy kasi may isang mangyari dun sa kabilang set, he calls me, he advises me that the nuances turned like this. Kasi nakakatakot sobra yung material ko. Ako, I believe in the sanctity of marriage. No? So, tama si Kim. Maaring gumawa ka ng material na malayo sa paniniwala mo. But, you have to study kasi the character. Hindi ka pwedeng magbigay ng hindi na pag-isipan, hindi malalim. And, yung attention ni Paolo sa production is not just as to how we do it, even the technical aspect. He is so generous, he even lent us, he has his own production house. He lends us technical stuff para mapaganda. He discusses deeply with you hanggat hindi niya, look outside a few of the greatest films in the film industry showing. So, I'm just so happy kasi dito sa set na ito, para sabihin ni Maricel na masaya, parang pamilya. Understatement for me. I never really, ako bilang director ang hirap ng trabaho, but I always enjoy seeing them. And until to this point, parang natapos na namin yung buong series. They're all medyo quiet confidence yung nakikita niyo. Because we all saw the series and we are so proud to say it is beautiful. In all humility, it is beautiful. So, masaya kami kasi kasama namin kayong magbebenta ng Filipino series sa buong mundo. Yung sinasabi ni Ate Ruby kanina, tulungan niyo po kami. Kasi maganda po yun.
Thank you, Direk. Yan, Pao, yung naman counter-reaction si Pao. Pao, anong reaction mo dun sa sinabi niya? you're the best actor of this generation?
Well, malamang hindi siguro totoo, but I always try to give my all when I find a project, when I fall in love with the project, and part of that maybe kaya siguro marami ring nagagalit sa akin dahil all I do is to make sure the project is beautiful. And it's not just my character, it's not just me, but everyone around me, the technical, the other actors, the production, the working conditions. I just want to make sure it breezes through and parang it's everyone, at the end of the day, gusto ko maganda yung kalalabasan ng ginawang produkto. But a big part of everything that we've done also are not just because of us, the actors, but also the effort both our directors gave, non-stop script revisions, talking to the writers, trying to change scenes to improve. These are things that na hindi karaniwan nalalaman o nakikita ng mga tao, but the production and the people behind this show work equally as hard as us. But, so thank you, Direk, for your kind words. I don't believe it's true, but I just would like to say that I just try to give everything and my all whenever I fall in love in a project.
Is this your first time to portray a mother role?
Hindi naman po yun. Meron, nakailan na rin po akong may anak na. Pero ito yung first time na malaki na siya. Malaki siya. Magpinsan kami. Pero hindi, kailangan ko maniwala anak kita.
Pwede ba kayo mag-ate na magkapatid? Yun na. Thank you.
Thank you, Rose. Maraming salamat. Alam mo, Kimi, ang galing mo magpatay.